Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. And as we all know, there are lockdown in every place of our India, right? And we most of the people are suffering just because of job or just because of lack of money, and we want to make money, but we are not finding some certain ways with the help of that we can make money even if we are at home or outside our home. Okay, so what I have done actually, I have chosen some ways with the help of that we can definitely make money. It's not a get rich solution that will give you instant money, but if you are working on it within 4 and 5 months or maybe 6 months, 2 months, that's gonna help you how to make money. Okay, and it will be long lasting solutions for you. Even you can do so many other things with the help of that. So let's start. Okay, so here the first one, that is freelancing. I hope you all are aware about this word freelancing. It is a kind of work that you can do for yourself. You don't have to do for other people, and at your own pace, at your own comfort. Okay, so there are few freelancing skills that I will mention here. There are so many other things that you can go on internet and you can search out, but in starting these can be a best beneficial skills for you. The first one is writing, command on writing, and start showing your work. Computer and IT, there are so much scope in this field nowadays. And third one is editing. So if you are a master of these three skills, you can easily get a freelancing job anywhere, no matter in which place you are. The only thing you need, internet. Okay, so here the second one, online tutoring. Nowadays it is in a trend, online teacher, online tutoring. Okay, and what you can do, you can help out. There are so many students and there are so many other platforms that you can work on. You don't have to start your own startup in a starting. There are so many other startup, with the help of that you can make your career in a field of online tutoring. The only thing you need, a mastery on any one subject. Okay, and I have known that even in this lockdown, one of my friends, she got a job in education field. Okay, and it was a bit easy as we think. The only we need a confidence that yeah, I can teach someone. Or even if you don't have a confidence, build that confidence. So nowadays it is in a trend and we can easily get a job. So here's the third one, virtual assistant. What does it mean? Virtual assistant means you are assisting someone from your home. Don't have to go office or you don't have to go to that person. So nowadays it is also in a trend. You can go and search out there how to become a virtual assistant, and definitely you will find so many answers about that. So work on that skill and definitely it will be a best option for you nowadays in this lockdown that you can do. Okay, so here the fourth one, that is applying job for work from home. Okay, there are so many jobs nowadays that you can do it from work from home. There are so many companies that are hiring and you don't need anything extra. The only thing that you need, a computer, a good internet connection, and also communication skill. Apart from that, if you have any other skills, you can also do that. So there are so many jobs that you can do work from home. Just go and search out and definitely you will find one. Okay, so here's the last one, but not least, master any new skill. Guys, this is the most important thing that you can do in this entire lockdown. And even if you don't have time, even you start working somewhere, again, just at least find half an hour, 1 hour and improve that skill. Why? Just because with the help of a skill, you don't know what you can do. You can make a hell lot of money. That's gonna help you in future, but definitely it will take time. Firstly you have to master that skill, and that then somehow you have to know that how you can create some values with the help of that skill in the life of the people. And then with the help of that you can start even your YouTube channel, and you can start podcast, you can start advertising yourself on social media, and this is the best thing nowadays. Okay, so this is all for today that I have mentioned, that there are so many other ways that we can make a lot of money. Okay, so I hope all these things must gonna help you in your future, and you will definitely start at least one of them. Just go and think and just find out your passion, that what you can do about it. Thanks for watching.